shades, letting her go, letting her rip, letting her fly, tossing her in sideways, living the